Hello everyone, I'm Ruchika from Success CD's Education. I'm back with the latest edition of GK and Current Affairs quiz. यहाँ पर हम नवंबर 3 से नवंबर 9, 2020 के करंट अफेयर्स कवर करेंगे। इसी ड्यूरेशन के करंट अफेयर्स को हमने एक फ्री पीडीएफ में भी कंपाइल किया है और वीडियो के नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में वो लिंक है जहाँ से आप उस फ्री पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। And also please hit the bell icon so that you get notifications regarding the next upload on our channel, and also follow Success CDs on social media platforms for interesting trivia related to current affairs and GK. Now let us begin with this quiz. Question number 1. Which Indian cricketer and captain of one of the IPL teams has confirmed about participating in next season of IPL? आपके ऑप्शंस हैं रोहित शर्मा, विराट कोहली, MS धोनी, KL राहुल। इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी MS धोनी। ये सोचा जा रहा था कि MS धोनी IPL से रिटायर कर जाएंगे और फाइनल्स में चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स की टीम के हेड MS धोनी ने कंफर्म किया है कि अगले साल भी वो IPL में हिस्सा लेंगे, जबकि इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट से पिछले साल ही वो रिटायर हो चुके हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. विच नेशन हैज डिसाइडेड टू टेक बैक कंट्रोल फ्रॉम लॉकहेड मार्टिन लेड ग्रुप फ्रॉम द मैनेजमेंट ऑफ एटॉमिक वेपन्स? ऑप्शंस आर फ्रांस, UK, इंडिया, USA, and the answer to this is option B, UK. The control for managing atomic weapons is now transferred back to the UK government till June 2021. The other two companies which were with Lockheed Martin led group into managing nuclear weapons are Serco and Jacobs Engineering. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ये जो काबुल में टेरर अटैक हुआ है जिसमें 25 लोगों की मौत हो गई है, वो कहाँ पर हुआ था? ऑप्शन ए अफगानिस्तान नेशनल म्यूजियम, ऑप्शन बी काबुल यूनिवर्सिटी, ऑप्शन सी काबुल दरुल अमान पैलेस, ऑप्शन डी ARG प्रेसिडेंशियल ऑफिस। आंसर इज काबुल यूनिवर्सिटी। The gunmen stormed in the premises and started firing during an ongoing book fair attended by the Iranian ambassador. तीनों अटैकर्स को गन फाइट में मार दिया गया और तालिबान ग्रुप ने अपना रोल डिनाई किया है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. विच क्रिकेटर हैज रिसेंटली डिक्लेयर्ड रिटायरमेंट फ्रॉम ऑल फॉर्म्स ऑफ क्रिकेट इंक्लूडिंग IPL? ऑप्शंस है MS धोनी, शेन वॉटसन, रोहित शर्मा, AB डिविलियर्स, एंड द आंसर इज शेन वॉटसन। शेन वॉटसन एक ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेटर है। ये चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स के लिए अगले साल से नहीं खेलेंगे और इन्होंने ही 2018 के IPL फाइनल में ट्रॉफी जीतने में एक मेजर रोल प्ले किया था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. हु हैज बिकम द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंटर पार्लियामेंट्री यूनियन फॉर द टर्म 2022-23? ऑप्शंस आर स्विट्जरलैंड्स लॉरेंस फेलमैन रेल, यूरुग्वेज बेट्रिज आर्गिमोन, पोर्चुगल MP डुआर्टे पैचिको, मेक्सिकोज गैब्रिएला क्यूविस बैरन। Answer is Portugal MP Duarte Pacheco. The voting took place through a remote electronic secret ballot. The role of the president of IPU is to direct activities, chair meetings, and act as a representative at global events and gatherings. It is an international organization of national parliaments with headquarters at Geneva, Switzerland. Question number 6. When is the parliament winter session likely to start this year? हमारी ऑप्शंस है नवंबर 21, दिसंबर 21, दिसंबर 19, दिसंबर 1। आंसर इज दिसंबर 21। द गवर्नमेंट ने इसका फाइनल डिसीजन लेना है बिहार असेंबली इलेक्शंस के बाद। यूजुअली जो विंटर सेशन है वो नवंबर के 3rd वीक में होता है। पिछले साल ये विंटर सेशन दिसंबर में ही हुआ था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. विच सर्विस विल बी लॉन्च्ड बाय ट्विटर इन इंडिया फॉर असिस्टिंग ब्रांड्स इन द ऑप्टिमाइजेशन ऑफ कंटेंट? Options are Art House, Content House, Business Manager, Art Content. Answer is Art House. This service has been launched earlier in various other countries. It has given successful campaigns in many parts of the countries of Asia Pacific region. This fully integrated service will successfully strengthen the brand's message by a partnership with various influencers or creators. Question number 8. Who has become the first Indian origin minister in New Zealand? ऑप्शन ए प्रियंका राधाकृष्णन, ऑप्शन बी कमला हैरिस, ऑप्शन सी प्रियंका राधेश्याम, ऑप्शन डी बियांका राधाकृष्णन। आंसर इज प्रियंका राधाकृष्णन। Priyanka is from 2017 intake of MPs in New Zealand and has now become a minister who will look after social development, youth welfare and the volunteer sector. Question number 9. Which resolution has been adopted by the UN for prohibiting the use of nuclear weapons and reducing nuclear danger, sponsored by India? non-nuclear resolutions, nuclear management resolutions, nuclear disarmament resolutions, non-nuclear disarmament resolutions. The answer is nuclear disarmament resolutions. These nuclear weapons clusters support India's commitment to the goals of nuclear disarmament. The first committee of the UN General Assembly deals with disarmament issues and works closely with the Geneva-based conference. India has tabled the Convention on Prohibition of the Use of Nuclear Weapons since 1982. Similarly, the resolution on reducing nuclear danger was tabled in 1998. Now we see question number 10. Which state government has disbursed 57 crore rupees for ASHA workers? Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra और उत्तर प्रदेश? इसका आंसर है महाराष्ट्र. Purpose is to increase the allowance offered to ASHA workers under National Rural Health Mission. ASHA stands for Accredited Social Health Activists, who are important mechanisms for implementing National Health Rural Mission in India. Question number 11. For which ordinance has the President Ramnath Kovind given assent on November 4? Options are Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Ordinance 2020, Arbitration and Reconciliation Amendment Act 2019, Conciliation and Arbitral Act 2020, Arbitration Act Amendment 2020, and the answer is Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Ordinance 2020. President Kovind ने असेंट दिया है इस आर्बिट्रेशन एंड कंसिलिएशन एक्ट 1996 को अमेंड करने का. सारे स्टेक होल्डर्स को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी टू गेट अनरिस्ट्रिक्टेड स्टे ऑन एनफोर्समेंट ऑफ आर्बिट्रल अवार्ड्स वेयर द एग्रीमेंट फॉर द सेम मे बी persuaded as a fraud. Section 36 has made addition which states that if the court is satisfied with the above mentioned case, then it can stay award unconditionally pending disposal of the challenge made to the award under section 34. Question number 12. Who has won the 1000th title for tour level match win on November 4 to reach the third round of Rolex Paris Masters? Rafael Nadal, Roger Federer, Sania Mirza or Ivan Lendl? Answer is Rafael Nadal. Rafael Nadal has defeated Feliciano Lopez and reached the third round of Rolex Paris Masters. He has become the fourth player to reach this milestone in the Open era, joining Roger Federer, Ivan Lendl and Jimmy Connors. Question number 13. Which city in India can soon become the Corona capital of the country? Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata or Bihar? Answer is Delhi. Delhi High Court has slammed the Delhi government for COVID-19 cases which are rising at an alarming rate. As per the observations made by Justice Hema Kohli and Justice Subramaniam Prasad, they stated that the government has gone haywire on the pandemic. Question number 14. For which purpose a committee has been set up by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, which will be chaired by Prasar Bharati CEO Shashi Shekhar Vempati? Options are to review the guidelines on television rating agencies, to shut down a few English channels, to add some new rules under television rating points, to review TRP scam. Answer is to review guidelines on television rating agencies. The committee will revisit the current guidelines related to television ratings to make them more credible and transparent. The parliamentary panel led by Shashi Tharoor has agreed that the current guidelines related to TRPs are flawed and outdated. The review process will be done according to recent recommendations of TRAI, that is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Question number 15. Which government has banned the sale and bursting of firecrackers to combat COVID-19 and air pollution? Options are Uttarakhand, Bihar, Delhi, Karnataka, and the answer is Delhi. दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट ने 7 नवंबर से 30 नवंबर तक ये स्टेप लिया है. इन अ रिव्यू मीटिंग दिल्ली सीएम along with district magistrates, chief secretary and health department officials, they have decided that ICU beds will be added, medical infrastructure will be increased, oxygen supply will be increased to tackle this problem of increasing cases of COVID-19. Question number 16. Which state government has passed a bill on the reservation of 75% seats to local candidates on private sector jobs? Delhi, Haryana, UP or Madhya Pradesh? Answer है Haryana. Reservation will be an application for private sector jobs with pay less than 50,000 per month. The bill was one of the primary promises by the ruling party और इस बिल का नाम है हरियाणा स्टेट एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑफ लोकल कैंडिडेट्स बिल 2020. Question number 17. Which popular messenger mobile application has launched UPI service in India? Facebook, Hike, WhatsApp, Kik. Answer is WhatsApp. UPI is launched by WhatsApp after approval of National Payments Corporation of India, which can be accessed by iOS and Android users. The users would require a debit card to use the UPI and make payments. Question number 18. Which country has banned the entry of Indian nationals due to COVID-19 cases? USA, Germany, China or Dubai? Answer is China. चाइना ने डिसीजन लिया जब 20 से ज़्यादा पैसेंजर्स पॉजिटिव टेस्ट हुए थे जो दिल्ली वुहान फ्लाइट पर थे। ये फ्लाइट 30 अक्टूबर को चली थी और ये लोग अगले हफ्ते जब चाइना पहुंचे तो पॉजिटिव टेस्ट कर रहे थे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. Which Earth observation satellite has been successfully launched by ISRO to support agriculture, forestry, disaster management related applications? Options है EOS-01, PCLV-C21, EOS-22, EOS ISRO-11. Answer is EOS-01. EOS-01 को लॉन्च किया गया है एज अ प्राइमरी सैटेलाइट विद 9 कस्टमर सैटेलाइट्स अबोर्ड द PSLV-C49 फ्रॉम द लॉन्च पैड ऑफ सतीश धवन स्पेस सेंटर श्रीहरिकोटा, आंध्र प्रदेश। इसे ऑर्बिट में 15 मिनट 20 सेकेंड में इंजेक्ट कर दिया गया था। The 9 commercial satellites were also successfully injected in their orbits. Question number 20. Who has become the 46th president of USA? Donald Trump, Kamala Harris, Joe Biden, Kanye West. Answer is Joe Biden. Joe Biden is the oldest candidate ever. He belongs to the Democratic Party. इन्होंने डोनाल्ड ट्रंप को डिफीट किया 273 सीट्स जीतकर। बिडेन को 74 मिलियन से ज़्यादा लोगों के वोट्स मिले थे। वो काफ़ी साल तक यूएस सेनेटर और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट भी रह चुके हैं अंडर प्रेसिडेंट बैरक ओबामा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. Who has been elected as the Vice President of USA in the 2020 elections? Your options are Mike Pence, Susan Rice, Kamala Harris, Elizabeth Warren, and the answer is Kamala Harris. Kamala Harris is the first ever woman of Indian origin and the first black woman to become the Vice President of USA. She is from the Democratic Party. She was working as a California senator. She will join Joe Biden in the White House, who has been elected as the President of USA. Question number 22. Which nation has decided to kill minks to stop the spread of mutated coronavirus to human beings? Options are Bhutan, Denmark, Nepal, India. Answer is Denmark. According to the Health Minister of Denmark, Magnus Heunicke, around 400 humans were infected with COVID-19. They were related to mink farms. और स्टैटिन सेरम इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ डेनमार्क ने कहा है कि 5% ऑफ ह्यूमंस इन द रीजन were involved in the newly mutated virus. The total population of minks is around 15 million in Denmark. Question number 23. Which nation has recently announced relaxation of Islamic laws on alcohol consumption and cohabitation of unmarried couples? तो इन दो टॉपिक्स पर किस कंट्री ने इस्लामिक लॉज को रिलैक्स किया है? सऊदी अरेबिया, यूएई, अफगानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान. आंसर इज यूएई. This relaxation aims to change the country's outlook to attract more Western tourists and business, which is based on Islamic law's strict legal system. The relaxation of alcohol consumption, sale and possession is given above the age of 21 years. The government has also scrapped the laws that protect honor crimes and have criminalized them. Question number 24. For which issue the newly elected President of USA, Joe Biden, has decided to form a new task force under physician Vivek Murthy? Options are racism, COVID-19, unemployment, to monitor WHO guidelines in the country. Answer is COVID-19. Joe Biden ने ये announcement की थी during his victory speech in Wilmington, Delaware. Vivek Murthy is a former Surgeon General under the President of Barack Obama. The task team for COVID-19 will contain 12 members, including former Obama administration health advisor Ezekiel Emanuel, David Kessler, former Food and Drug Administration Commissioner, and Marcella Nguyen-Smith, Professor of Public Health at Yale University. Question number 25. For which city Prime Minister Modi has virtually inaugurated various development projects worth 614 crore rupees on November 9. Our options are Kolkata, Varanasi, Muzaffarnagar, Ayodhya. Answer is Varanasi. In the development projects inaugurated by PM Modi in Varanasi, the Dashmeshmekh Ghat and Khidkiya Ghat will be redeveloped along with certain wards of Kashi. The roads will be repaired and tourist places will be developed under this project. Parking facilities, park in Benia Bagh and multipurpose hall in Girija Devi Sanskrit Sankul will be upgraded. यूपी के चीफ मिनिस्टर योगी आदित्यनाथ भी इस कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath was also present during the video conference. Prime Minister Modi further suggested maintaining cleanliness on the premises. And with this we come to an end of this session of Current Affairs quiz. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and please hit the bell icon for uploads. And please hit the bell icon for notifications regarding the next uploads, and also subscribe to Success Series Education. With this is Ruchika signing off. Till we meet next, take care and goodbye.